Looking to increase your cleaning service website rankings in Google and bring in more leads? Stratedia has the solution. With Stratedia's tailored SEO strategies for cleaning companies, you'll get a custom-built WordPress website that adapts to any device, packed with optimized content and designed to load lightning fast. Proven SEO techniques that target high-converting keywords like cleaning companies near me, cleaning services near me, home cleaners near me, and more. Boost your cleaning business with our powerful local SEO strategies designed to amplify your Google Map listing visibility across your entire service area, driving a steady stream of high-quality leads straight to your website. Stratedia provides a comprehensive suite of services tailored to help your cleaning company thrive. From expertly managed Google and Facebook ads to engaging social media campaigns, impactful email marketing, and eye-catching graphic design, we've got you covered. Ready to elevate your cleaning company and dominate your market? Let Stratedia help you get you to the top. Call us today for a free website audit or sign up now.